Hello friends, Realme One Solar Red with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is a budget warrior smartphone from OPPO's own brand Realme. The Amazon exclusive smartphone's 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is very stylish and compact smartphone. The dual SIM Realme One Solar Red smartphone runs on Color OS 5.0 based on Android 8.1 Oreo, complete with Indian specific theme. It sports a 6-inch Full HD display with 84.75% screen to body ratio. It is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 processor as well as dual-core AI specific chip. The Solar Red color variant comes as a new color option for the smartphone Realme One. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Realme One, which is Solar Red in color with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. I have purchased it from Amazon.in. It is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out, and it is tightly sealed from all sides. And here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I am ripping it open. The MRP of the product is Rs 10,799 INR. It weighs 145 grams. And here a little bit more and the product will be out. And now I am cutting it out a little bit more. And it is almost done. And here I have opened the box. And here this is the air pouch. It is provided along with the phone so that any damage to the content may not occur during seepage. And this is the box, and there is written Realme. It is very nice and glossy in design, and it is written Realme. Realme One comes in a vibrant design, and here it is solar red, and here there are specifications about the product, there are details about the product, the customer care number, net contents, and the inbox contents are one adapter, micro USB cable, booklet with warranty card, quick start guide, SIM card ejection pin, screen protector film and case. And here it is written Realme Solar Red with 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. The Realme One smartphone comes with a 6-inch Full HD display for clear vibrant visual experience on your phone. And here this is the bill sent by Amazon. And here these are other details about the product, and here I have kept aside the bill, and here there are other specifications. This is the back side of the box, and it is written Volt. It supports 4G, and it is very nice and very stylish. And here you can see the barcode. It is made in India, and there are other details. And now I am going to rip it out. And here I am ripping open the box. It is sealed as a sign of its authenticity. And here this is the thin polythene. I am taking out the polythene a little bit more, and the smartphone will be out. And here I am opening the box a little bit more, and here it is written Realme, and here I have taken it out. And this is the Realme smartphone. It is very nice and very stylish, and on the top side it is covered with thick polythene, and on the back side it is written Realme. And now here I am going to take it out, and here this is the charger. It is white in color, very nice and very compact, and it is also very, and this is the micro USB cable, and here this is the micro USB cable, and it is also very nice. It is very strong and sturdy, and it is white in color. You have to just plug it into the charger and charge your phone. And here I have kept them aside, and here this is it. The Realme One smartphone is a very fantastic phone and it runs on ColorOS 5.0 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. And here this is the ejection pin. It is to eject the SIM tray, and here I've kept it aside. And here these are the manuals, and this is the back cover. It is made of thick transparent plastic. It prevents the phone from damage, and it is also very nice and very fantastic. You have to put it on the back side of the phone, and here I have kept it aside. And this is the phone, and it is also sealed with thick plastic to prevent it from damage. And here now I am opening it. It comes with a full 6-inch full HD display for clear and vibrant visual experience. And on the back side it is written Realme and it is red in color, and there are other specifications. And here this is the display. It comes with a full 6-inch full HD display. It is very nice, and I have powered it on. It is written Realme powered by Android. And here OPPO, the phone is starting. And here these are the options. You have to select the language, and here I am selecting the language. And here continue, it is written terms of use. I've agreed. And then these are the other things, policies, face and passcode. You can skip. I have skipped, and then I've clicked on skip. And this is the Wi-Fi assistant. I have clicked on continue, software updates. Here I am clicking on import data. You can import data from your old phone or set as new OPPO phone. And here I have switched off the software updates. And in the import data there are two things: import data from your old phone. You can import the data from your old phone, or you can set as new OPPO phone. You can select it according to your need, and here I have set it as the new phone. And here this is the welcome screen, and it is getting started. And here the phone has started, and there are different apps. And here the phone has already started, and it looks very nice. And there are different apps: Play Store and Phone Manager and themes, photos, videos, music, calendar, clock, weather, settings. These are different settings, and it looks very nice and very fantastic. The Realme One smartphone sports a fiberglass body at the back with a stylish finish, and it is very good. The Realme One smartphone comes with a 6-inch full HD display for clear and vibrant visual experience on your phone. The 13MP rear camera along with the LED flash and 8MP front camera with the fast facial unlock in less than 0.1 second is useful for clicking memories that you can preserve with you. The phone comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 256 GB with dual nano SIM with a standby 4G plus 4G, so that you can store media, file and other things into your phone. The Realme One Solar Red is equipped with 8-core CPU and MediaTek Helio P60 AI octa-core processor with Android V8 Oreo operating system that breathes more processing power when you are into intense gaming or shuffling between the apps on your phone. It comes with an impressive 3410 mAh battery for more standby time and providing talk time up to 30 hours. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It is a very fantastic phone, and it is priced at 10,799 INR, and it is a budget range phone for everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.